Hi everyone. So for those who do not know me, my name is Dr. Rajat Jain and I am a radiologist by profession and guiding and mentoring students for more than a decade now. The video is about mixopathy and a lot of students have requested me to express my opinion about this. So before I start, I just want to tell that the opinion that have been expressed are my personal opinion and are not linked with any of my academic or non-academic affiliation. So please consider those opinion as my personal opinion. Before I start talking, I also want to emphasize that as a responsible citizen of India, I respect every system of medicine, be it a traditional system or be it a modern system of medicine. So I'm just naming few like an allopathic system, which is commonly considered as a modern system, or homeopathy, or Ayurveda, or Unani, or any other traditional system of medicine which is being is covered under Ayush. I believe that every system has its unique value. We have used the when we were kids as the traditional system of medicines, and I believe that they also are wonderful, and so does the allopathic system. Now, what I feel is that there should not be any mix of the system, because the moment you are mixing this system, you are not doing anything but demeaning our own existing traditional system of medicines. So my personal opinion is that every system is good. Ayurveda is very good, homeopathy is very good, any other traditional system of medicine is very good, allopathy is very good. In whichever specialty that you have got a degree, one should practice that particular system, and the lawmaker should also be very sensitive on that particular part, that they should not let, at least officially, the one system to be merged into other system. Rather, what I believe that the lawmaker should be I think they should do the things so that they can make the Indian system of medicines or the traditional system of medicine more robust. They should open up more Ayurveda colleges, more homeopathy colleges. I feel that the lawmaker should set an example of visiting these hospitals when they have an ailment, because they trust the system. They should set up an example to visit this, so that the people who follow them can get a trust on these particular system. I personally feel that please do not mix these system of medicine. Making this video does not mean that I am saying that one system is good or the other system is bad. I do not support mixopathy. I do not support that one system should be mixed with another. Being with the students, talking to people, being into the, though I'm a radiologist, not in a direct interaction, but since still lot of people come to me to talk about it, and lot of people come to take a second opinion. Lot of people come and say about, sir, we are taking this Ayurvedic treatment, we are taking this homeopathic treatment. So my suggestion to them is very simple. I have not been trained into these systems, so I cannot comment on the validity of this treatment. It might be good, it might not be good, but please do not mix the system. If you want to take, just follow one system of medicine and follow it completely. As we keep on saying to the students also, just follow one person and follow it completely. As we keep on saying, do not mix the information from here and there. The same point that I'm gonna raise over here, that lawmakers, please, it's a sincere request that do not mix the system. We will be very happy, at least at my personal level, I will be very happy if you will promote every system of medicine independently. Okay, and if you think that these systems are really good, promote them. Set up an example by taking the treatment on this, and I'm sure that these treatments will also do wonder. Okay, so that is about my take on the mixopathy. As a radiologist, as a person who has been trained in the allopathic system of medicine, I believe that there should not be any mix of different system of medicine, and they should be kept independently, definitely with the law. Okay.